Hey, what is going on, guys? Starting off the video, my brother trying to spin the fidget on his nose. Oh my gosh, he did it! Oh my gosh, this is way serious. I'm serious, guys. You actually did it. I've done it before, but honestly not on video. No, okay. So, okay, let me turn back the camera. So, what is going on, guys? We started the video off like that. I'm gonna make a video about fidgets, like the fidget spinner. This is my brother's. Mine is gonna come in next week, buying on Amazon. So, yeah. You wanna see something? I can do it on. It's harder with all the other fingers because the thumb is obviously fatter, so it's easier. Let me watch. If you want to do it cooler, do like that, but I'm still working on it because it doesn't go that fast. Whoa, I need to practice it. If you want to impress somebody, just, hey, you want to see my fidget? Done. Do it with the ring finger. Yeah. You know what, guys? Since I can't really time this right now, because I can't be on YouTube, obviously, because I'm recording. So, you should time it for how long it goes. Time it. There you. It will probably go for like 2 or 3 minutes or something. This is really cool. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? You see that? That's a fidget. Yeah. Wait. You see this? It's like, oh my gosh. I might not see it that good on camera, but it's really cool. I think you can see it better now. This is going long. Oh my gosh. Why am I making weird faces? Okay. Okay, it's slowing down. Oh, I can kind of see the time there, so could have done that, but yeah. It's still spinning. It's not that cool, but it's going slow now, but it's still spinning. It still counts. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's still spinning. It's still spinning. Oh, it's going backwards now. It's still spinning. Okay, it stopped moving now. That was like 1minute and 45 seconds or something like that. I'll try to do it on my nose. Let's do this. Oh, that was so close. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Oh, okay. Give me a second. I need to get something. I know you see nothing but blackness or me, but yeah, I need to get this. This. Those. Okay, give me a second, guys. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. That's familiar. Is it Mario? I always forget. Okay. Let you go. Can you tell them? Dum dum dum. Okay. Is that you? Oh, come on. Okay, I stopped it, but you didn't see that? No! No! Okay. Who saw that? You have to see that. Hopefully you saw that. I'm sure one more time in case you didn't see it. Oh, wait. I messed up. Was it you? Let's see how long I can keep it on here for. I'm obviously a master at this now. Oh no, I touched it. It's talking, dang it. Okay, stop. It touched me. But it still did it. You gotta give me credit for that, guys. You see my leg. You don't want to see that. That's not my leg. Because I'm holding it between my legs, guys, so I can do it like this. This is way easier. If you do this, when you get your fidget, if you have one, a fidget spinner, do this, and it feels so cool. Like, move it around. It will go slower for that spin, but it feels so cool. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's one of them. I was running through the 6-mile rush. You didn't see the dab that much. Yeah, dabs are like 2014 now. I don't even know why I'm still doing that. Look, this is the coolness level over 5 million. Actually, coolness level over 5,000. Over 9,000 actually. Coolness level over 9,000. If you're wondering what it says here, it says yeah. There we go. Oh my gosh. So cool if you know that like that. Comment down below, do you have a fidget? Do you think it's cool or do you think it's dumb? I think whoever has a fidget probably thinks it's cool. I don't know if you can hear me, but some people think it's dumb, but it's actually really cool. You don't understand this. Even when I didn't use it or anything or touch it or do that, I knew it was going to be cool. But for some people, they just think it's dumb, but when they get it and they use it, they're like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. But they say it's dumb, but then it's like the coolest thing ever. Yeah. So, yeah. I probably should have done this in the video, well, in the beginning. If you still don't know how to use a fidget toy, a fidget spinner, there's all different kind of fidget toys. It's basically to like relax you. If you like touching stuff, or like you have to touch stuff, or move your legs a lot, or you have to move something or do something, this is really good for you because it just relaxes you. Like, you just flick it. Well, not too hard. You could, if you couldn't do it, you can do it like that. Looks cool. It just relaxes you, and it looks really cool. And yeah, you can do it like that. Use it like that. You can use it like that. You can do on your nose. Table spinner. Oh, the table spinner. On your finger. You can do all the fingers. I recommend not doing it first. Like try practicing it first. Like that. For me, it's harder. It's obviously easier on this. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Give me a second. I'm just kidding. Dun, dun, dun. And by the way, do not do this. It might go a little faster. Not really fast. Don't mind the noise. But you don't do it like dun 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 dun. No.
Okay, check that.
You have to like just spin it once and it will go. Like if you spin it once, it will go for a long time. Not yet. Sorry, I was calling it. Yeah. I like spinning it and doing on my finger. You see that? Isn't that cool, guys? Oh! Oh. Dun, 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 dun. This is kind of like a triangle, so I am not confirming. Ciao, Auntie. Oh, and by the way, if you don't know what language I'm talking Spanish. So yeah. Oh gosh, it felt cool because I was moving it and then it was sliding off my hand and then it just fell. It was cool. It felt cool. Like that's how it felt. So yeah. Okay, I guess that will be the end of this video, guys. Oh, one more thing. That'll be the end of this video, guys. If you still don't know how to use a fidget spinner, I'm pretty sure you do. So you could check Ask Siri or something. Use write it on Google, or just watch another YouTube video. But I just wanted to make a YouTube video on this fidget spinner. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I recommend you buying it. And yeah. Peace. I might make another video on this. So yeah, peace. Double peace. Bye.